All right, I'm going to talk on this long version one. This is a really special one. You know, I've got a bunch that were favorites, ones I really loved. Man, this one is way up there at the top. It's not a cap gun, but it's absolutely a realistic toy gun. And before I start, the sight was upside down on all of these. Because there'd be a whole rack of these at the toy store. Like, they'd be racked up like actual guns would be. And it drove me nuts when I was a kid. I was like, why are the sights this... It's a compensator, really, with a sight on top. Why are they all upside down? It drove me nuts. And the cool thing about this is it made a realistic machine gun sound. And worked like an actual assault rifle or machine gun or submachine gun would work. You pulled back the bolt and pulled the trigger. You could go in bursts, or you could just rip it all off at once like this. And the compensator at the end of the barrel reciprocated to give this, kind of cool, if sort of unrealistic action, and it made a cool noise. And it didn't need caps or batteries or anything. It's just spring powered. And I played with it, like my childhood one ended up in a landfill because I played with it until it literally fell apart. And I think I had two of them. One was like a different color variation. It was black and silver, but I always liked this brown one. So I found this one on eBay. It's not my childhood one, which is kind of sad, but and like my mom saved 90% of my childhood stuff that I didn't just play with until it literally fell to pieces. And this is one that I just played with a ton. And my friends, I had two friends that had these. So we would be on a squad together with the same weapons, like we'd have this, and then we'd have the same sidearms, and this, which is an Edison Jaguar-matic, this was the sidearm that me and at least two of my childhood homeboys had. It's got a functioning safety. It's on fire. This is safe. It's a removable magazine. It doesn't have a magazine release button. It just slides out and holds in by friction. And then the barrel sticks out when you pull the trigger. Like, it reciprocates, just like the S.W.A.T gun. And this one fires 13 shot strip caps. I've only done one video about this. I've only fired it once. I'm not going to fire it again. You can't get one of these for less than $75. $100 in the box. Like, if you can get it for that. I got mine for $100, and I felt like it was a deal. Anyway, it was really cool to run around the neighborhood with our primary and secondary combination, just fighting all kinds of badass battles, like all sorts of made-up stuff against each other, against, imaginary enemies. And yeah, so these are two really special ones. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe. 90% of my views are from people that aren't subscribed. Subscribe, like, comment, all that crap. Thanks.